Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is my last day in Singapore. We're going back to our hometown, insyaAllah. This is the pool. Last night we thought it's only the pavement that's watered by the rainwater. So on the way to Changi Airport, we dropped by to say hello to the Merlion. Press? Okay, thank you. Ah, sana?
Hotel sana.
Hotel sana. Tanya pun.
Ada shortcut dia ada.
Bye bye Mondial. Even the hotel staff was surprised that we're gonna walk. Why not? Kita pakai topik langsung. We're wearing the tourist cap, the tourist hat today. So right? And then we'll see if we're not okay, we can just go for Grab. Nice. So I like to study walkways. So always differs to every city or every country, but the sum for the drain maintenance is frequent. Just now we see the disabled palang for okay, the disabled jet, not the to block the motor from misuse the dedicated walkway for pedestrian. I think the shops here, they just open at night. Craig Road. From Daxton Road to Craig Road. See the Sky Garden or Rooftop Garden. So this is the example. Like this one, like 3 layers of walkway. The top block is higher from the ground surface. And this one is reserved for the plants, for the trees. I think all natured trees. Medical clinic. Orchid Hotel. Like last night it's not Orchid, last night it's Orchard. This one is Orchid Hotel. So I think we passed halfway already. Okay. Oops. If surface like this, better to just drag our bag. Dia tak solid, nak tebal, very thick. 2 inch.
Kita mari ni walaupun mari ni kita nak jalan.
I memang lagu tu. Lepas tu, I memang daripada start hijau lagi memang ambil gambar je sebab tapi takut hilang. So that's why I start to make videos lah. So anything I can refer. With explanation, Kaman is in Arabic actually. It's my English now mixed with Malay and Arab. So sorry for the inconvenience. Dah? Tanjung Pagar. Sometimes when I see nice landscape, I like to use the cinematic mode just to make use of the application in the phone. Beli mahal tak guna, saya ikut deh. Alright. I want to save some time. It took almost 1 hour to walk because while enjoying and discussing. Okay, Bismillah. Station. Pasal this in 1 minute now. I don't think we can catch it. Another one is 4 minutes. Can. After 1 minute, 4 minutes. So still can. We just missed the train, so just wait another, I think about 3 minutes. And we will. So we just one station lah. Like to go to Outram, actually we can take the Maxwell and then change point for Outram and direct to Kemang. I don't need to walk, but it's okay. We just want to try different route. So there's just one station to Raffles Place, and then we'll see how it's going. InsyaAllah. Okay, Raffles, mana? Tanjung Pagar. One station Raffles. Walk 6 minutes. Okay. Many people, even we avoid the peak hours, but depend on the place, right? Raffles Place and City Hall, always many people. Sometimes we have to depend to the manual map, despite of the modernity that we have. Okay, so now here, Raffles Place, we have to choose the exit. It's either Fullerton. This is Marina Bay, Merlion Park. I think maybe we take Grab. I have no heart to walk. Yes, it's not direct unless we take bus. We drive at Fullerton. So from here we need to go to the Merlion Park. Go to the underground street mall, no, underground mall, and then you will find yourself the Marina site. So this is the MRT building, Raffles Place, the skyscrapers. You won't see the sea. I just feel I want to use the bag. Alhamdulillah. I hope it is connected. Singapore River Walk. So it's a river, not sea. KL also we have river walk. Call it River of Life. And this is like the way to go to our hotel, the Park Royal Collection. This the durians. Oh, I didn't go to Lau Pasat. Many places I didn't catch yet, so we'll come again next time with family, insyaAllah. I think we have been walking maybe more than half an hour. It's worth it. One of the plan is to take the big bus, enjoy the rooftop, and go around Singapore. What is this? What is this? I just remember the Crazy Rich Asian. So okay, I will put in the caption what it is. I think finally I can use my sunglasses. Hello. I hope one day we can make it in our city. Some insights. like simple discussion with the Penang weather department. They have done that in Penang, so maybe we can pay a visit. See the feasibility studies to make it in our city. Alhamdulillah. We arrived. The issue is we arrived. Okay, so for our first place, Fullerton Road. Oh, we not waste sometimes, but we use this way. Take and then cross here. Now we are at the Merlion. If we are here, we are here. Marina Bay. Okay, Merlion Park. Okay, just. Marina Bay Sands or what? This one. They have many landmarks. Oh, the landmark by the river of Singapore. SubhanAllah. So you just will. Actually, I don't really remember I came here or not when I was studying. I've been here or not. I don't think I've been here actually. Oh, dreaming. I don't think I've been here actually. Why I didn't? Allahu Alam. Half an hour?
No need.
More or less?
Less.
Less, alhamdulillah.
15 minutes.
15 minutes, okay, insyaAllah. We're catching our flight.
In 200 meters, turn left at the traffic light.
It's not long distance like Malaysia.
Singapore so small ni.
Yeah,
So tiny Singapore.
the longest is about 1 hour. You can go from end to end. I mean, like, or Boon Lay to Changi, for example. 1 hour, right?
Depending on traffic.
Okay, but max.
If good traffic, yeah, less than an hour.
Okay. The max if it is jam.
Jam, it's difficult to tell.
It will get to 2 hours, 3 hours? No lah.
No lah, don't need.
Right? One something.
From Malaysia?
From Kelantan.
Kelantan?
Yes. Yeah, far.
Last time I worked in Kuantan.
Kuantan. Halfway lah.
Halfway lah.
Oh.
Fine.
You have been in Kelantan before tak?
Huh?
You have been in Kelantan before?
No, didn't go.
No, you have to.
Working like you said, very difficult.
Yeah, so it was full schedule. So just want to catch the last day.
Continue straight at the first traffic light. Then
This ship, what we call it, Marina Bay Sands? Okay. Marina South Pier is the place. Oh, okay.
Marina Square is this place.
Marina Square. Chinatown, close to Chinatown.
Chinatown is on the left.
Okay.
Singapore very small lah, very nearby.
Yeah. Used to be here, but long time didn't come, so a little bit lost. See that one? Eyes of Singapore. We're on top of it already. Malaysia Medi.
This is eye of Singapore.
All the skyscrapers like KL lah, when you enter KL you will see all the buildings and towers. Alhamdulillah, now we arrived at Singapore airport. It's time to go back. Thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe my video for more interesting upcoming travelog, insyaAllah. Till we meet again, take care and be safe, insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum. Subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.